Hello everyone, jolly afternoon. Grabe, this was supposed to be a surprise sa aming birthday celebrant. Pero parang kami pa yung na-surprise with the unexpected message na ibibigay sa mga celebrant. But anyways, my name is Nico and welcome to Jollibee! Okay, first and foremost, I would like to say thank you for your princess for initiating and inviting us and to gather us for. We separate ways back before pa nung 7 years ago, nung EMI pa. Now we are on our different paths. Hence, we still have the friendship that we created during the work. I would like to thank the Lord God Almighty for you are very good to us. Wow! Of course, this relationship actually is not expected na magkakatuluyan silang dalawa, pero nagulat na lang po ang lahat mga kaibigan, sila po ang nagkatuluyan, nagkabuo ng anak at nagkaroon ng dalawang mga supling. So with you guys, wish ko lang not only for Nong Aljod but for Princess as well to have a good health to support their kids and for their kids to grow healthy and bright and responsible daughter and sons of their parents. Wish nothing but the best, but of course, God has always a better plan for you guys. Just keep the faith and we will survive. Starstruck.
Yes. Thank you so much, Nico.
Ba't kami may greeting?